Hi, I'm Dan,
I'm Simon.
and we're directors of Affinus.
We offer Microsoft integration to enterprise customers.
Between us, we've been working with Microsoft products for over 30 years. Our company was founded by some of the original members of the BizTalk integration team at Microsoft. So when our clients come to us with a problem, we generally know the solution, or we know who does.
We're working in a very fast-paced environment where things are constantly changing and you have to stay ahead of the curve. We have clients in different sectors, including pharmaceuticals, councils, higher education and mining. We go above and beyond to educate and advise the customers that we work with and empowering them to make the right decisions.
We take pride in the fact that a lot of our clients see us as part of the family. They see us not as an outsider, but instead as part of their embedded team. If we can see something within our client we think can be improved, then we help with that. We've done hundreds of integration projects, thousands of hours of integration, and we can take that experience and work with our clients to help them solve problems that sometimes they don't even know that they have.
Using the full Microsoft integration stack, which includes Logic Apps, Service Bus, API management and functions, our unique middleware methodology allows us to design and implement robust solutions that connect our customers' systems and their applications and services free from brittle point-to-point integrations or any specific vendor lock-in. We enable our customers to scale at pace, create efficiencies and cost savings by delivering standardized processes. This includes automated testing, deployment and monitoring systems designed to make complex integrations easy to develop, maintain, manage and support long-term.
Our close working relationship with Microsoft continues today. If you look at the modern integration landscape with Logic Apps and the rest of the Azure Cloud integration platform, we were there at the very beginning. We were part of the original Alpha program. So we have a deep knowledge and experience of all those tools. We're really interested in how we can leverage AI to automate some of the complex problems that we've seen. With Microsoft's push into artificial intelligence and the rise of exciting new technologies like AI Foundry and Agent Loop, we're there with those. We use them with our clients. We get early access to this technology. That will change the way we develop integrations.
Well, we want the phone calls after we've delivered the project, but actually it's a measure of success if the customers aren't really speaking to us. They're looking after themselves, they're implementing all the standards and the tools. We're like I suppose a parent that lets their child grow up, as it were. That's how we measure success.
When it comes to getting started, usually the first question is, how much is it going to cost? How long is it going to take? And what we've worked out over time, the best thing we can do is time box a piece of investigative work. Let's go in and find out some details. Let's write up a report, and as part of that, work out some estimates that they can then rely on. Reach out and contact us. We're always here to help.
Get on the phone, send us an email, just reach out to us. Let's get a call.
We're here and we're ready to help you.
Absolutely.